Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Lion foot?
Wow.
Baby, lion foot, big up yourself. The righteous are chill. Can I get a nice moment?
Wow.
Wow, lion foot, righteous stuff. Little bit of baby.
Off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, Dada. Remove all pain. Remove all shackles. Remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all of greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth and your health is your wealth. You see me, so take care of it. You know, my viewers and subscribers, they say, brother, you're the man I rate him. Yes, I'm an emulator for Marcus Garvey, freedom fighter. Yo, Paul Bogle, Nanny, Sam Sharp, all of the ancestors, them. The man deal with them police and wicked on Elsha Beach. I'm going to make you know where I go on, you know, we don't know, you know. After the break, see? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I'm going to make sure you click the bell and subscribe and share, alright? A lion foot, what do you respect? Yeah man, happy Women's International Day. Saying happy International Women's Day to all of the women right across the world. Seeing, don't be ashamed if your skin's patty. And if your body loose and flappy. Yeah, now make that make you sad, just be happy. Ladies, be proud of yourself. And if you feel say you're ugly, you're not pretty. Yeah, and if you not have nobody, you're not titty. Oh, and if your body fluffy like Miss Kitty. Ladies, be proud of yourself. Don't be ashamed if you have a big belly. Yeah, and it's a big land and bubble like jelly. Boy, don't be ashamed to show it off on the telly. Ladies, be proud of yourself. That me I tell you no, nobody putting it down, see? Because you're beautiful. Never let no one tell you you're not. Yeah man, happy International Women's Day to all of the women right across the world. Coming from Lion Foot. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so we will come back, no long chatting right now. I'm going to hear watch Wagwan.
Uno is a bunch of idiots who are following. No care no gun long, me not afraid that you gonna have every bomb where they making in the world so. Me will tell you no anything come out my mouth. If you know where good for you, turn these dirty thinking jeep, drive them in the sea. Or you drive them go about in the business. Or you call the army and tell them say, Miss, my name Steve from my Wicker. I mean, there are hell shop on the beach and no boy can take me off of this until me ready to go home. So if you don't know what for, wrap up them here and just go on about the business because you're not hard to do. Some arts have to work over here so I dirty thinking stage tonight until me make better stage than work on. We don't call on the Prime Minister and tell him, say, Mr. Him cannot take me off our private beach. We don't think so fool and I deal with it. We don't can't deal with poor people so. I am not a poor man. So no boy can tell me nothing. So if you know what phone just turn and go on the yard. With the pan L, sure. That them blood class and condemn with. We're not come out to the business. Tie down and nasty. We're not come out to the business. You can't be there.
Be there, man. Be there.
I shoot you shoot me, so bad. But if you're bad, just shoot me. One on. It cannot do me none. Yeah, iron and bombard still. A boy if you know that.
Why my viewers and subscribers, I saw the man deal with the man, police and wicked. See, when everybody should wake up and start standing up for them rights. That's when they know your rights. You know what I mean? You can survive longer on earth. But when you don't know your rights, you're likely to be vulnerable and being taken for granted and only for disadvantage. And some of my viewers and subscribers, so the brother you stand up to the police them. Not saying that you don't know the police them, you can't beat them still because of them are the law. But I love when stand up. Love when stand up to them and all that, you see me? But after that, why them come back for him because them say, if you went viral and you know them get embarrassed. You know what I mean? Them couldn't never lock him up at that time on the beach. So them come back for him again and like Andrew wanna send them again, you know? So watch what I go on.
another two. Let me have sense, man.
You get so much trouble, man. You get so much. Bad slave.
This is what, let me tell you something. This is what Marcus Garvey do, if you know sense.
Yeah.
This is what Malcolm Luther King did, Martin Luther King. This is what Malcolm X did.
Yeah.
The same thing, trying to free all the dirty things in soul out and have no sense. As the same used to do it. Them try them kitchen and used to hang with some. And then hear them do it now. You see the one them like unwed and put on the mask and anything them telling them do. You see the rebellious one, them are the one them with sense. Then they say, you know what? You see anytime when you wear the mask.
See master, you put on the mask, yeah?
Put on mask.
Yeah, no man.
If you know I put on my pocket, I will try it.
No man, put on the mask.
Come on. I'm put on the mask.
Put on the mask, man. Put on the mask.
No, we don't put on. No, only we poison me.
No, we're not poison.
I am not putting on no mask on the provide. If I have a no car, if you have a mask, you make it. Now you come from here, that way. I know the setup of people. When it's going at their house. No, but me not, no, I know you make it, man.
Alright, see you get your wife master now. Say alright.
This is the last mask I'm going to go for a human being. Mockery they make out of it.
Yeah man,
Make a mockery out of it.
yeah man, wear your mask man. Keep safe.
Safe?
Yeah man.
You feel safe in that?
I remember to sanitize when you reach, yeah?
Plastic. You see when I go home later, my friend?
Yeah.
You want to do no, I'm telling you, one thing before now. No, you see when I go home later, light the mask and so on. You burn like on your bun.
Oh. Alright, take your time going. Alright, Papa.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I see he finally got arrested, and I heard that he was charged maybe for environmental safety, whatever they want to call it. You see me, I say, you see me, I say, my viewers and subscribers. So, but my love the man stand up for himself and for him right. When I tell the man, give the man the mask, and the man said, no man, the master, he want, because they might put poison in it to kill him like what them do. You know? The farmer maroons them, you see me, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, so big up to the general, them, and not lie. He make me feel motivated and him stand up for him, you know. I want only hope our fellow Jamaicans can follow suit and stop act like a fool and make them trick, you know. You know what I mean? Something is into something. And so I say my viewers and subscribers. But leave it right there. You don't know, me catch piece of live video from Nuffy, MC Nuffy Dan, and two I'm bridging them a chat, you know. And no matter talk facts, I say Andrew Honest, I hide behind closed doors and I give order. And he's a puppet, you know what I mean? And something is into something. But I want to give people the joke if them don't sick or if they're not ill, you know, and 100% with them. So here I go on. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I hate that, you know, you don't know big up on yourself and you know you can pass it on, you know what I mean? As me say, there's room for, just leave room, listen what them I say and listen what other people I say. Enough people all over the world are fight them, you know, against them and them gender, see? Enough lawyers and doctors all over the world group up and have a forum that are going up against, yeah man, the Babylon them and them trickery, you see me? So you can listen to both sides and then leave room for yourself to make a decision and where you want to believe. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, the Kings and Queen, my lioness. Yeah man, you don't know lion for Holy Love, see? Peace out, I'm out.
Production.
That one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will a reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no difference by reasoning.
Yeah man, I eat that. Thanks for watching, thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.